exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be?
Hi guys, welcome back again to another tutorial. So if you are new here, just hit the subscribe button, hit it. So make sure you subscribe. Welcome to my channel as a newcomer. So in this video, I'm going to be chopping my hair. You know what? The summer over here is very strong. When it's very hot, I don't like it. So I'm going to be chopping off my hair. All like, maybe I should make it like chop all of them. Okay guys, I'm just funny. So I'll be using this my clipper here. We're going to take it down. So right now I'm going to use this clipper here. So I will be adding this one here. So I'm going to fix it. Fix it so that, because as if you look here, you will see that this place I didn't cut it down, and I just left it like that. So I'm going to cut it so that it will be the same thing on this side. So here we go. I put it on. I'm going to turn it on. Oh my god, look who we have here. Oh my god, I miss you.
Let's slow down. I wanna live right now.
Maybe after summer, I will start making the new hair again. So this is what we got out from again, and I'm still going to cut it until it becomes very small. So I think I need to trim it again, or maybe I should change the. I think this thing can't cut more than the one it has already cut. So I'm going to change it right now to get the exact length I want the hair to be. So right now I'll be using this one here. I think this one will give me that length that I want. Okay, let's see how it goes.
Let's slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe.
Hey guys, I'm done cutting the hair. I've cut it the way I want it. I'll go ahead right now to apply this relaxer. This is hair relaxer, so I'm going to use it on my hair before I'll apply the rest of the things that I want. And this is how it looks like inside. It's not that much, it's just a little one here, just to apply it to blow my hair out. Okay guys, I'm going to leave this for about 15 minutes before washing it off. Yes. Okay guys, it's I think 15 minutes now, so I'm going to wash it off. It's paining me, so I'm going to wash it off right now.
Thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need.
Okay guys, I'm done washing my hair off, so I'm going now to bring the color that I want to put on my hair. And I think I don't really know the color until I mix it and put it, and then I'll see the final result of the colors. For the first of all, I'm going to be using this my gloves, so I'm going to take it through and use it before any other things. So I'm going to wear my gloves. So this is it. These are the gloves. So now I'll be using this hair color here. So this is hair color 100, and this is the car. I'm going to use it. And another thing here is this one here. So this is the one, they said that I'm going to use this one to mix it. So this one, I'll be using my container here. First thing I'm going to bring out the color. This is how it is like. It's like 2. So I'm going to open it and I'll be busting it with this one. So this is it. So I'm going to pour it. It has a very strong odor. So I put this quantity here because I don't know after mixing it how it will be like. So I'm going to add this one here. So I'm going to put half of this inside it.
I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you.
It has a very strong odor. This odor is very, very strong. I don't like it. I'll start applying it on my hair.
Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. So fragile.
Okay guys, I'm going to wash off my hair because I think it's about half an hour now, because they said that I'm going to leave it for half an hour. So right now I'm going to wash it off. As you guys can see, I'm already feeling pain, but I just hope that it colors my hair the way I want it. So okay guys, I've washed my hair and this is the final look for you. If you like this color, let me know what you think in the comment section and I will reply you back. I know that the color is not that pure gold, but maybe after this one I will apply pure gold and see how it looks like. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.